price has become a little bit challenging lately because things are changing so dramatically, so quickly. But I like to make sure that if I'm going to take a listing, that it is going to sell. I'm going to put the time and energy behind it. I want to make sure that I'm going to be compensated for the work that I do. I don't want to take a listing that I know won't sell because of price or terms, telling the seller that I'm going to be able to do it, and it won't happen. I want to make sure I have a really upfront, honest conversation. It'll be something like, you know, Mr. and Ms. Seller, I know that you want $550. I think that's a little high because it's literally your payment on that home 6 months ago was $3,000. Now it's going to be $4,500. I think we need to be more reasonable on what's happening. As your broker, I have a full marketing campaign that be very proactive in getting you the price that you want. But I just want to make sure up front that I'm telling you that it's my professional recommendation. I want to make sure that at the end of the day, you know what the actual value of the property will be, so that if it doesn't go for this higher value, we can adjust it and bring it down to what's more likely to get it sold. I think buyers and sellers, they value professionalism. Professionalism, to me, is telling people the truth right up front and being adamant about it and speaking your truth and sticking with it.